Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Great Garden Challenge, where we're seeing how much food we can grow out of this little garden behind me here over the course of the entire season from March through October. And we're coming up close to the end here, so it's getting pretty exciting. Have you been tracking along? Have you been seeing how much we've been growing? Stay tuned and I'll tell you how much we've grown up until this point. And actually it's gonna be more, because by the time I made this video, we have another harvest that has come in. Now let's talk about what has been happening. And just before we dive into that, if you would like to follow along, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of these videos as they come out. So let's talk about this week. So the week for this video, one of the first things that we did this week was to take out the row of determinate tomatoes that were here. And we're letting our fall crops come up in their place. So we've got broccoli, we've got kale, we've got Swiss chard, we've got lettuce that are coming up in this bed. And we just harvested off all of the green tomatoes, and we'll see how many of those ripen. And for any who don't, you could actually eat green tomatoes. Some people do like fried green tomatoes and stuff like that. So we're gonna count it as part of the harvest. And a lot of those tomatoes will actually ripen. You can just leave them on your counter, in your house somewhere, and they will ripen over time. So we took out the determinate tomatoes, harvested those off. I'm starting over here with our determinate tomatoes, and I'm just gonna be harvesting off as many tomatoes as I can. We'll see how many will ripen inside. Most of them are pretty much done anyways. As you can see, the plants don't even look that great. So anyways, I'm going to be taking this loppers. We're gonna be lopping them off at the bottom. There's no need to pull them up by the roots, just lop them off at the bottom. But first of all, I'm gonna come and harvest the tomatoes themselves. Okay, so I just harvested off the green and the blushing tomatoes here. Most of them. I mean, I left some of the small ones, you know, it's not gonna be worth it. And then I took these loppers here and have just cut off the base of the plants. Next, I have some like nylon string here. I'm gonna cut that off because it can't compost. So I'm gonna cut it off first, and then I'll come back and get all the rest. Now I want to take a quick minute to congratulate Teresa for winning our giveaway from last week. So Teresa, I'm leaving a comment down below yours of how you can claim your bag of Soil Smiles chicken manure for your garden. It's a pelleted, it's dry, it's easy to put on your garden. So I hope that you really enjoy that. And for anyone on this video, if you leave a comment down below, we're doing another giveaway. This time it's gonna be for a bag of worm castings for your garden, okay? So jump down, drop a note, drop a comment down below on anything in this video, and you get a chance to win. Next up, in this week, my parents, my dad and my mom, came into the green beans here, and we've been talking about needing to take them out, open them up, get some more light underneath. And so they did an awesome job of pulling out a bunch of the green bean vines, thinning them out to allow more light to get down underneath. Now, frankly, I think we may still need to take out even more because they're still shading out quite a bit, but it's way better. They're getting more of the morning sunlight and the afternoon sunlight down underneath where the green beans were there as well. So did that this week. And then in addition to that, I had a bunch of Swiss chard and collards that had not been transplanted out yet. And so I came and I filled those in. I filled in a bunch more Swiss chard in this bed over here, put in some more collards. Let's take a quick look. I just finished transplanting the rest of the Swiss chard that I had purchased the other day. I interspersed them in among these Swiss chards here. And then I also transplanted a couple collards over here. Spaced a couple just underneath the pepper plants. Just needed to find some spots to fit them in. I want to put them all in if at all possible. And then you can come over here. See, my dad and mom have been thinning out the green beans. So it is allowing more sunlight to come in down here for our beets, which have not been growing very well, frankly. So anyways, our green onions though are looking very nice right now. And we've got the collards under the tomatoes there, underneath there, and over underneath the green beans over here. So yeah, great crops coming along. Exciting stuff. And I rounded out the week here with a cucumber harvest. These are pretty special because we haven't had a lot of them this season. The cucumbers have not done well, but
thankful for every little bit that we get.
And that wraps it up for this week. So far, the garden has grown over $1,600 worth of food. Can you believe it? And I think we might be able to reach that $2,000 mark by the end of October. We're gonna give it a shot. So once again, if you'd like to follow along, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon and leave a comment down below on this video. We'd love to hear from you as our viewers, and we're looking forward to catching you next week in next week's video. We'll see you then.